Today I will talk about how can you disable notifications on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click here on your photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you come here to show notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's contacts me show notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.